Did you know that falls are one of the most common causes of injury in Australia, especially for kids and older adults? Knowing how to give first aid after a fall can prevent further harm and even save a life. Whether it's a small stumble or a serious fall, quick action is key. Today, we'll show you the essential steps for first aid after a fall, so you'll always know what to do. First, check your surroundings. Make sure it's safe for you to help before approaching the person. Next, gently check if the person is responsive. Ask, "Are you okay?" Look for visible injuries, bleeding, or pain. If you suspect a head, neck, or spinal injury, don't move them unless absolutely necessary. For minor falls, help them sit or lie down. Use a cold pack on bruises or swelling and monitor for any changes. For serious falls, if the person is unresponsive, struggling to breathe, or you suspect broken bones, call 000 immediately. Support their head and neck if needed, and keep them as still as possible until help arrives. Always seek medical help if the person is unconscious, has trouble moving, severe pain, or a possible head or spinal injury. To reduce falls, keep walkways clear, ensure good lighting, and always supervise children and the elderly around hazards. Want to learn more? Visit australiawideafirstaid.com.au or check out our online courses, australiawideafirstaid.com.au. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe for more life-saving tips.